Hello, Dennis Gandra here from DVIZ. How are you? A very warm welcome to this new training, D5 for Archviz by DVIZ. I would like to take a moment to explain how our educational journey will be throughout this training and this specialization in Archviz, specifically utilizing D5 render. In the first module, I will welcome you, explain how our course will work, how to make the most of it, whether you are a 3D artist, architect or engineer, how to understand the plans, versions, hardware requirements, downloading, installation, and the initial setup of D5 render on your computer. Remember that this course uses the latest version of D5 render. In the second module, we'll already be getting hands-on. I'll provide files for you to download and you'll work alongside me getting to know the interface and navigating through D5. Simply import your files. And within the very first 45 minutes, you will already be creating a stunningly realistic 3D scene step by step together with me. Quick and efficient if you have the right method. We will already get to know the assets, the libraries. We will start applying materials to our scene and create our first render. I will also share lighting concepts here that are game changers when you are creating an image using 3D software. In Module 3, after we've done our first render, now we will start using D5 like professionals. In this module, we will use our modeling software, the one we're used to, 3ds Max, SketchUp, Revit. In this module, we will learn how to set up the scene and prepare it to send to D5 render. Understand the IDs, the materials, the organization, the layers, the groups, get everything ready and easy to send to D5 render so we can continue our work there. In Module 4, already in D5, we will work on the project that was imported. We will learn how to use the D5 library, understand the difference between materials, electrical material, dielectric, physically accurate material, the theory behind a realistic material, how reflections behave, how bounces behave, variations, textures, and truly understand how material works in physics. From Module 5 onward, we will continue with hands-on work. We will create both an exterior and an interior scene. We will find the right way to balance exterior and interior lighting within the same file. For example, here's a quick tip. Understand very well how exposure works. Did you know that exposure mimics the human eye? When you're in a dark environment, your eyes need to be more sensitive to light. When you're in a brighter environment, you don't need as much sensitivity. You gradually decrease the exposure. In this module, we will comprehensively explore how to balance exterior and interior lighting. We will gain a deeper understanding of the concepts behind the physics of light, the theory of light, and the hierarchy of light. We will understand the importance of each type of light, natural light, artificial light, the proper way to position them, how to balance them, and thus have yet another fundamental pillar completed for realistic lighting. We will discuss extensively landscaping, vegetation, flowers, plants and grass. We will learn how to distribute landscaping in the scene in a natural, organic way with realistic variations, all to enhance the realism of our scene. We will go through the essential fundamentals of the camera and the image. We will understand how a professional photographic camera actually works. We will discuss ISO, aperture, lens size, and the overall exposure. We will discuss in great detail photography concepts, the rule of thirds, depth of field, and everything you need to know from a theoretical and conceptual point of view. So you can create images that are not only realistic, but also deeply artistic. When we reach the 8th module, we will explore the capabilities of artificial intelligence within D5, specifically how to use it to insert vegetation, speed up your workflow, create materials, adapt lighting, enhance the render, or change and transfer sunny lighting, for example, to a nighttime render. We will use the artificial intelligence available in D5 to our advantage and with that save time, understand how it works, and type prompts. We will do many studies to make our image, which was already realistic and artistic, into an even more detailed image. We will delve deeply into the world of animation, covering external animation, internal animation, art direction, narrative construction, and all the essential foundational elements so that our static image becomes a beautiful, conceptual animation that truly sells. We will also, in the next upcoming module, talk extensively about the comprehensive professional perspective of both the artist and the architect. Here at DVIZ, we are an Archviz and architecture studio. I will provide you with comprehensive insights on how to build your portfolio, how to select the highest quality images, how to maintain consistency and balance in your portfolio, how to receive client feedback, how to prepare for a meeting with your client, how to create expectations for them, and how to meet those expectations. We will delve deeply into the details of interactive projects, panoramic tours, hotspots, and interactive presentations using D5 Render. This is not just a 3D training or a rendering course. You won't just learn how to create stunningly beautiful images, artistic renders, and cinematic animations. You will learn how to use the tool to your advantage, how to use, for example, artificial intelligence to your benefit, how to understand what your client wants, what your client needs, and how to prepare yourself to become that more complete professional that the market is looking for. This is not just another 3D course. It's a comprehensive and professional training program designed for artists, professional architects, and engineers who want to deliver a highly sophisticated final product, a true masterpiece. Welcome to D5, welcome to DVIZ, and welcome to D5 for Archviz by DVIZ.